Welcome to Celebration and Awareness Channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, honoring the unsung heroes and showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Please stay tuned to the end to discover surprising facts about Portuguese language that you want to learn the language. Now today's celebration. World Portuguese Language Day theme. Celebrating the power of Portuguese language, culture, and nation building. On this World Portuguese Language Day, we honor the significance of Portuguese as a unifying force across the globe, connecting millions of people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Spoken by over 260 million people in countries spanning Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas, Portuguese is not just a language. It is a bridge that fosters understanding, promotes dialogue, and nurtures a shared cultural identity. On this day, we celebrate the role that Portuguese plays in society and nation building, acknowledging how it enriches communities, preserves heritage, and promotes unity across borders. Whether through literature, education, business, or diplomacy, the Portuguese language is a powerful tool that continues to shape the world in profound ways. The impact of the Portuguese language. Building stronger communities. The Portuguese language is a cornerstone of many communities, connecting people and empowering them to build stronger, more cohesive societies. Just a quick break. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to our channel to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Consider the story of João, a young entrepreneur from Angola. Consider the story of João, a young entrepreneur from Angola. João had always been passionate about creating a sustainable business, but language barriers and lack of resources held him back. However, after attending a Portuguese language training program, João gained the confidence to engage with potential investors and customers in lusophone countries. Speaking Portuguese opened doors that I never thought possible, João says. It gave me the chance to network across borders and expand my business beyond my local community. Portuguese didn't just help me communicate, it helped me thrive. His success story highlights the crucial role that language plays in entrepreneurship, particularly within the global Portuguese-speaking community. In Mozambique, Maria, an educator, shares how the power of Portuguese transformed her ability to reach her students. Coming from a rural area where educational resources were scarce, Maria found that many of her students struggled with reading and writing in Portuguese, a national language used in schools. After receiving additional language support and training, Maria was able to develop new methods to teach Portuguese in a more engaging way. By helping my students improve their Portuguese skills, I am empowering them with the tools they need to succeed in life, Maria explains. Portuguese is not just a subject, it's the key to accessing education, knowledge, and opportunity. Maria's work exemplifies how the language serves as a vehicle for education and empowerment, creating pathways to success for the next generation. To all who champion the Portuguese language, your work matters. Thank you to all those who dedicate themselves to promoting the Portuguese language, from educators and linguists to translators, journalists, and entrepreneurs. Your efforts are not just about teaching a language, they are about building connections, preserving rich cultural traditions, and opening doors for progress. By fostering a shared understanding of Portuguese, you are helping to strengthen communities, bridge gaps between diverse cultures, and create opportunities for personal and professional growth. Your work is a catalyst for change and growth, empowering individuals to unlock their potential and contribute to nation building. We honor and appreciate your invaluable contribution to the global Portuguese-speaking community. If you have yet to explore the benefits of engaging with the Portuguese language, now is the time to take that step. Whether for personal growth, career advancement, or fostering cross-cultural connections, learning Portuguese opens up a world of opportunities. By speaking Portuguese, you gain access to a rich cultural heritage and a vast network of speakers across the globe. The power of the Portuguese language lies not only in its history but also in its future potential to shape economies, strengthen international relationships, and create lasting bonds. Don't wait to unlock the possibilities that Portuguese offers. Embrace this language and start building your future today. Happy World Portuguese Language Day! Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of Portuguese language. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 8th of May, time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during Second World War. The 10th of May, World Migratory Bird Day. The 12th of May, International Day of Plant Health. Please mark your calendar and check your notification for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.